In the 6th century BCE, long before telescopes or satellites, one Greek thinker dared to map the universe, not with myth, but with reason. Anaximander of Miletus, student of Thales, mentor to philosophers, was the first to propose that the Earth floats freely in space. No pillars, no gods, just logic. He described the Epeiron, the infinite, as the source of all things. He drew one of the world's first maps, and even suggested that humans evolved from aquatic life.
Anaximander was a bridge between myth and science. He gave us the first glimpse of a rational universe.
Though few of his works survive, his influence echoes through every scientific revolution. Anaximander, the forgotten architect of thought, reminds us that the courage to question can reshape the world.